What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing and first impressions on the Galaxy A30. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, so some key features on this device are a 6.4 inch screen. So that's going to be at 1080 by 2340. We're also going to have a 16 megapixel main shooter, and this is going to be a dual camera. We're also going to have two different variants, one 3GB of RAM and one 4GB of RAM device. And this is also going to have an Exynos 7904 chipset and a 4000 mAh battery. So this device is essentially the predecessor to the Galaxy A30s and the A31. The A31 has a quad camera setup, the A30s has a triple camera setup, and the A30 has a dual camera setup. But let's go ahead and unbox this device going for about $220 right now. I'll put the link in the top comment and the description down below if you guys are interested. Let's go ahead and open this up. First and foremost, we have this little box right here. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So in this case, we have the quick start guide, and we also have our warranty card, and we have a TPU case, which is always nice to see in these A-series boxes. So pretty cool. Next, we have the device itself, very pretty color, and I believe this is just the blue color. We have our adaptive fast charger in here. We have our USB Type-C cable, and we also have some earbuds. And last but not least, we have the SIM ejector tool. Take a look at the back of the device. This is a very pretty color. This is going to be the blue option. As you guys can see, we have the Samsung watermark. Just above that, we have the fingerprint sensor. So the A30s and the A31 are actually going to have in-screen fingerprint sensors. This one's going to have a back fingerprint sensor. Just to the left of that, we also have our LED flash, and above that we have our dual cameras. Now those dual cameras are going to be 16 megapixel and 5 megapixels. So we're going to have a wide and an ultra wide camera. First one's also going to be PDAF. Right side of the device, we have the volume up and down rocker, and we also have the power button. Left side of the device, we have our SIM tray. Bottom of the device, we have our 3.5mm headphone jack. We also have our USB Type-C port. We have our noise canceling mic, and we also have our speaker to the right of that. Top of the phone, we have a noise canceling mic all by itself. Next, we also have a 16 megapixel f2.0 aperture wide camera as the front facing camera. So finally, we have the screen right here. It's going to be 6.4 inches, 1080 by 2340. This is going to be a super AMOLED screen. So this is going to be a very nice viewing experience when watching YouTube, Netflix, and tons of other media. This is going to have Android 10.0, and we're also going to have the One UI 2, which is nice to have that on this device because it is a bit of an old device. So we are going to have Dolby Atmos. We're going to have a few other features on here, such as dark mode that UI2 has. So that's nice to see on this device. So very nice looking device, very similar to the Galaxy A20 in my opinion. Next thing I want to go into is the camera. Let's go ahead and check that out. Now that we're in the camera, we have live focus mode, we have regular photo, we have video up to 1080p at 30 frames per second, and in more, we have a few different options. We have slow motion, AR emoji, panorama, and we also have pro mode. So we're gonna go ahead and take a sample photo real quick and see how this looks. So as you guys see right here, very solid option. Very nice looking camera. Now the thing about this device is it is pretty old. So the A30s and the A31 are already out. So if you guys can pick up those devices, I would definitely recommend it. But if you guys need a device like this for under $250, this is definitely gonna do you well. We have a great battery at 4000 milliamps. We have at least 3GB of RAM in this device. We also have a 16 megapixel main camera, and we have a big, beautiful Super AMOLED screen. So you definitely can't go wrong with this device. This is also internationally unlocked, so I believe this is going to work with Metro by T-Mobile, Cricket, and a few other GSM carriers. But if you guys want to go ahead and pick this up, I'll leave the links in the description down below as well as the comment section. Definitely go ahead and do your shopping through those links. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below as well as subscribing and turning on the notification bell. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.